How to link TikTok Shop to TikTok account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be walking you through the process of linking your TikTok Shop to your TikTok account. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into the account you want to link with TikTok Shop. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile page. Next, tap on the three-line menu icon in the top right corner of your profile page, and this will open the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Creator Tools. This section includes various tools and features for managing your TikTok account. Under Creator Tools, look for the option labeled TikTok Shop. Tap on it to begin linking your TikTok Shop account. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your TikTok Shop account, so you may be prompted to log in into your TikTok Shop if you aren't already. Enter your login details and authorize the connection, and that's about it. Once you've entered your credentials, confirm the linkage by following any additional prompts or CAPTCHA. This ensures that your TikTok Shop is successfully connected to your TikTok account. And that's it. You've successfully linked them two accounts together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.